Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size and the power for each cooking zone on a Whirlpool oven. And let's start with the front left, which is 1800 watts and it's 180 millimeters diameter. Then there's a front right and it's 1200 watts with 140 millimeter diameter. Then there's a back left and it's 1200 watts with 140 diameter as well, and one on the back right here. This one is 1800 to 750 watts with 180 diameter. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.